All right, here goes the lesson on Mrs. Robinson by Simon and Garfunkel. We're going to have a F sharp major chord. We're going to have two different strums you could choose. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Or you could go down, down, up, down, up. Very common one there. So down, down, up, down, up, down. That'd be the first strum, and if you want the more kind of conventional, more commonly seen one, strum 2 would be down, down, up, down, up. So 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and. So we're gonna have 8 bars of this F sharp to get started. So we got 2, 3, 4. Fifth one, 7, 8. Okay, then he starts doing the D, Dee Dee Dee, Dee Dee. So we're gonna do the verse. That's gonna be start of the verse form. We're gonna have actually 5 of these F sharps, and then we're going to a B. And I like to do the B with those 4s up there. Now we're gonna go from B to B7. So you could think about doing this 4, 2, 4, 2 for B7. You could do B7 like this, and you could just do B for all of these. It's gonna be 4 bars of B. You could switch to B7 halfway through that if you wanted to, so it's up to you. So we're gonna start with the D, 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 so we got 2, 3, and. One more, here's the 5th one, then we go B. I'm gonna go B7 for the other 2. Okay, so let's take that real slow. Dum, da, dum, da, da, dum. And we're trying to count 5 of those F sharps and then go to B. So 2, 3, 4. Second, third, 4th, 5th. Now we go B, B, B7. Now we got E. Only one strum pattern, only one bar there. So E to A. And then we're gonna do this kind of D with the F sharp bass. 4, 2, 3, 2. We're gonna go 1, 2, and then pull the middle finger out. 1, 2. So that looks like an F sharp minor chord. So we got 1, 2, 1, 2, and then B minor. 2 bars of that. So let's take a look from the F sharp. Let's say we're on the 5th F sharp, getting ready to go to B. So 2, 3, and. Here goes B. B7 coming up. And then E to A. And then this one. Pull that one out for the last 2 there, and then we're doing B minor for 2 bars. Back to F sharp. And then E major. 2 bars of that. And then we're into the chorus. So I'll do this whole D, D, D part kind of up to speed. 2, 3, 4. 5th one, here we go. E to A. 2 each. Bum, 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 bum. B minor. F sharp again. E. Okay, now we're ready for the chorus, the Mrs. Robinson chorus. So I suggest trying to do the 1 finger A, because you just got to put 1 finger in here. We're going to F sharp minor after this A. So if you try to get that A, and like I say, try to angle that finger to mute that bottom one. So we're going to have A to F sharp minor twice, and then D. 2 sets of that, and then 2 sets of E. Back to A, F sharp minor. Do that twice. Do those D's again. Now instead of E this time, we're gonna go B minor and then F sharp. We do 4 of those F sharps. Okay, so let's go through that chorus again. A, F sharp minor, A, F sharp minor, D twice, and E twice. Let's try that much. 2, 3, 4. Then we got our A A to F sharp minor again. Twice. D, 2 bars, then B minor, F sharp, 2, we're doing 4 of these, 3, 4. Okay, then we're into a verse with actual lyrics in it. So 5 of these F sharps again, going into B, so 2, 3, 4. Fifth, here we go. B7, E to A, and then 2 each, B minor, F sharp, E. Okay, then we're in our chorus again. So let's take that verse real slow again. So we got 5 F sharps. Dum, da, dum, da, dum. We'll go like that fast. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. Here goes B. B again. B7 twice. Or stay on B, whatever you like. E to A. And then the 2 each. Bum, bum, bum. B minor. F sharp to E. Chorus A, F sharp minor, D twice, E. Back to the A to F sharp minor. D. B minor, F sharp for 4, okay, and then there's just like one more verse and chorus, so here we go, B, B7, E to A, 2 each, B minor, F sharp, E, chorus, you got the A, D, E, back to the A to F sharp minor, D, B minor, F sharp. Now at the end here, it just keeps doing that. So you just keep doing your F sharp and you eventually fade out. So the other strum, if we want to look at that one more time, let's look at the intro where we just do F sharp a whole bunch of times. You could do that. So our strum we're doing is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But let's look at that strum number 1 again. That'd be down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. So what if we tried the chorus with that? 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's just another option for strumming. So that was Mrs. Robinson by Simon and Garfunkel. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Let me know if you have any requests. Please put those in the comments on this video, and I'll get to them as quick as I can. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.